And let's move on to conversion campaign with S2S tracking. So conversion campaigns with S2S tracking is usually used in this scenario when advertisers can support to post-back conversion from their own platform to bigger ads spontaneously. So in this case, you can use S2S tracking. So the process includes 4 steps. First, you need to finish the S2S integration and the testing. And step 2, you need to share your ad account ID to Bigger Ads AM for S2S whitelist. Step 3, you need to set up campaign, ad group, and ads in the ad account. And step 4 is some checkpoints that you need to pay attention to before you set your campaign live. Okay, so for step 1 is a mandatory and very critical step. But it's also a one-time setting between advertiser and Bigger Ads. Once the S2S integration is done and testing is successful, then advertiser can generate different URLs for different web campaigns by themselves, and no need to do the testing one more time. So the process about the integration and testing is step 1. You need to contact Bigger Ads AM to get S2S integration document and the app key. And step 2, you need to finish the integration with your technical team and generate a click tracking link for test. Number 3, you pass this click tracking link to Bigger Ads AM for a click and conversion testing. And number 4, Bigger Ads AM will confirm that S2S integration and testing are successful. Then you can start generate click link for your web campaign and use this click link to create web conversion campaign in ad account. Let me have a demo in the ad account. So after login, we need to go to the campaign tab. Let's have a demo in the ad account. So we need to first go to library web event to create a web event using S2S tracking. So we can name it with per your own needs. Normally, I will name it with the target events and the related products. For example, I'm going to promote a Dove shampoo page and I want users to fill in the form. And then I will fill in my promotion URL here. And next, I will need to fill in the tracking links. And I need to choose others because I'm going to use my own S2S tracking link. And fill in the link here, click on submit. Then I have created my web event successfully. Then I can go to campaign and create. For conversion campaign, I need to choose conversions. And I can edit the name or just keep it by default. And about budget, we recommend you to set it as no limit. And you can name the ad group, but I will keep it here as it is. And by default, system will choose both IMO and Likey, and it's better. We will also recommend you to keep it by default because it's better for the ad groups to get traffic. And then in advertising part, you need to choose the web event you just create. And it will help you to fill in the promotion link. And we don't need to use pixel because we already have the s2s. And we need to choose the conversions that we are going to send post back. And then you need to set up the rest of the mandatory setting, like location, budget. And for bidding, this part you will need to fill in your bidding for each conversion. For example, my conversion is user fill in the form. Then here I will need to fill in my expectation on cost per form submission. For example, I want to make it $2. I want to pay for $2 for each form submission. Then I fill in 2. And then I will create ads. And then after I fill in all the mandatory information, upload my creatives, I click on next to submit. Then we finish the campaign setup. And before we get the campaign live, we need to also double check on the account balance. And we need to check all the settings like the bidding, target GEO, etc. And here at the end, we need to pay attention that that if you are launching the first campaign, then you need to double check the number of conversion in your own platform and in BigOS ad account to see if any discrepancy. And if you see some gap, you need to double check on the click link and the post back whether you have received some error message from BigOS when you send the post back. If you need any help, you can always find our BigOS AM for help. And this is about conversion campaign using s2s tracking.